This is called how to fix a belt loop on a pair of pants where, see where it was sewn? You got a big giant hole. You can't fix that. Well, this is how you fix it. It's called a piece of tape on the inside. Press it on real good. Place it into position and get some crazy glue. And fill the hole. Crazy glue this side. And what are we going to use? We got some Perrier, pink grapefruit, and put a weight on it, and you're done. After it's done and it's attached, take and put a little bit more around the outside. Once your crazy glue has set up, add a little bit more. So the side. Good thing for that tape in the background, or else my finger would be stuck to this. Just let it sit. And there's a quick fix or a belt loop.